Hi guys! If you are looking for fun and festive ways to teach your elementary school age child this holiday season, well, stay tuned because I am going to show you the curriculum that we plan on using this holiday season to keep learning exciting. Hi, I am Jatara, and if this is the first time you have come across my channel, well, welcome. I am a homeschooling parent that teaches my children who are in the 6th grade and kindergarten, and I also work full-time from home. So I like to show that side of my life on my channel. If it sounds like something that interests you, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So you can go ahead and click the subscribe button right down here to subscribe to the channel. I love creating seasonal learning experiences, and Christmas time is the perfect opportunity for hands-on, joyful lessons to keep the Christmas spirit alive during this time. Okay, so I really wanted to support a small business and just support another homeschooling parent when I went to search for Christmas curriculum. And I also knew that it would probably just be my kindergartner and I doing this curriculum this season. So I kept those things in mind when searching for a Christmas curriculum. And what I actually ended up with is, I will introduce it here. It is the Christmas Unit Study by Faithfully Abide Homeschool. So I will insert clips of the curriculum here. But I really wanted this to be a more nativity focused unit study for my daughter and and I came across Faithfully Abide Homeschool on Etsy. So that's where I purchased this curriculum. So I purchased this curriculum on Etsy, and it currently is $4.95. And it is a digital download. So when you first purchase the curriculum, it's going to instantly download to your device, whether it's your mobile device or laptop, computer, anything like that. So what I always do is I download it on whatever device it is, and then I will upload it onto my Google Drive, and then that way I can access it from any device. And so what I decided to do is just go ahead and print out the entire unit study. This is only like half of it, but I wanted to show you guys some of the things that are included in the unit study. Okay, so I did flip the camera around so I can give you guys a good look into the unit study and the things that we plan on doing this year. So for us, I just printed the entire unit study and stuck it into a folder because a lot of the things will be consumable. Most of the things in this unit study are consumable. So here is the very first page. And each day there is a scripture memory verse, and this one just happens to be Isaiah 9:6. There's different scripture memory verses here. So this is the first day of the curriculum. So it's going to show you that you read your story card, which are the 2 scriptures, and then you will do your scripture memory. That's one of the reasons I really liked this curriculum, is because it gives scripture memory verses. There's also a coloring page for this day, which it's just the scripture. And then you can choose a read aloud story, and then there is a Christmas carol. There is also a book list in towards the back of the unit study, and she suggests different books that pair well with this curriculum. So we have picked up a couple from our library already. This one is called Song of the Stars, A Christmas Story. So this is one of the books that we will be reading along with our unit studies. We also have Bright Christmas, An Angel Remembers. So there's that one. And the last one, I haven't grabbed it from the library yet, but we've read this one already, is The Donkey That Carried the King. And I loved that book. I actually put it in a old book recommendations. I believe it was from last year. So you can check that out. But we have read that book already. We don't own it, so I have to pick that one up from the library. It's currently waiting on me. But I just wanted to go through and show you guys some of the cool projects and different types of things we'll be going over in this unit study. Okay, so that is the curriculum that we plan on using this holiday season. I also just wanted to let you guys know you don't have to plan something every single day, or like a specific Christmas thing every single day. We do plan on making some cookies and treats this holiday season as well. And I plan on using things like that as school. My daughter will be learning cooking skills. She's going to be learning safety in the kitchen. She's going to be learning, there's so many different ways you can incorporate math into baking. And we did rent a book from the library about Christmas cookies around the world, so we plan on using that. And just keep it simple and keep it fun. We have done an experiment in our co-op where we made fake snow, and that was really fun. The kids loved that. We also will be doing things like making snowflakes out of paper and painting ornaments and just things like that to bring the holiday season into our arts and crafts and our science, and any way that I can incorporate this into this time of year. That's what I'm gonna try to do, just to add a little bit more joy and like festivity to the season. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys are planning to do for Christmas or this holiday season, and comment if you have used this curriculum before and have liked it. It got 5 stars on Etsy, so we are excited to get our hands into it and start using it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so.